morning, student. Good morning to all. Hello. Hello. All of you are getting my voice. Hello. Hello. Am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Good morning, sir. Sir, audible.
Okay, okay. So, in this section, the 2.11, that is called wireless fidelity, and then we will talk about the Ethernet system. Clear? Okay. So, before going to the detail of this, we just know about the outcomes which we will cover in this section. First of all, what is IEEE 802.11? That is a Wi-Fi type system. Clear? This is a Wi-Fi based system where and it is exactly the second point, access method of Wi-Fi. Clear? And in the third, Wi-Fi adapters, then understand the modes of Wi-Fi, then know different Wi-Fi protocols. Clear? So now, if we talk about the analogy, basic analogy, as you can see, the picture is clear to all of you. Whatever I am showing to you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So the basic analogy behind the Wi-Fi or IEEE 802.11 base system is what you can see. There is a two-person, John and Jenny. Suppose they are communicating each other in a public group, in a public place. Clear? So you can see if they communicate through some open space. It is a type of suppose open space communication through Wi-Fi system. So in that particular case, uh, uh, beyond that communication, though most of the people will also listen whatever they are talking. Clear? So it will not be the type of secret communication. Means the communication between two persons is shared to all. Clear? That are belonging near to them. Clear? So and another is what a type of Ethernet system. Ethernet is what means if they talk about something on the communication is on cable base, so that may be secret. Clear? So this is the basic analogy behind the Wi-Fi system, as we all know about the mobile phones we uses in daily life and communicate with each other through somewhat Wi-Fi system. Clear? Now, now first of all, we know about the IEEE 802.11 Wi-Fi based system. It is also known as wireless fidelity Wi-Fi. Means Y means हो गया wireless and F means हो गया fidelity. That is wireless fidelity. It is like its Ethernet and token ring siblings. I 802.11 is designed for use clear in a limited geographical area, that is homes, office, buildings, campuses, clear, and primarily challenge is to mediate access to a shared communication. Clear? That is the medium in this case, signal propagating through the space. Clear? This was the challenge. That is the shared communication medium is there. So signal are propagating through space. So it may happen the most of the time the packet may also lost. Clear? So now the next one point is the I802.11 supports additional features, something like power management and security mechanism. Clear? So all of you please mark your attendance also in between the lectures. Clear? All of you please mark your attendance between the lecture in the chat box. Clear? Now the next one is IEEE 802.5. Wi-Fi. This is a basic type of system in which you can see we have computers that are connected to the access point. Clear? Means wireless router includes basically three portions, that is access point, Ethernet switch, and routers. Clear? So you can see in this particular section that the computers are connected through access point, that is AP. In short, it is represented by AP. The computers or laptops are connected through access point, that is the type of Wi-Fi communication, and the access point is connected to station. Clear? And the access point is also connected to the routers, and router provides the packet transmission through ISP office of internet. Means if the gadgets want to communicate through Wi-Fi system, then they need to access through access point, and then access point will communicate their packet through router, and the router will transfer this to the ISP office, meet internet service provider, station, or internet. Clear? So through some Wi-Fi medium or anything else. Clear? So we can replace this middle portion that it includes access point, Ethernet switch, router with the wireless router. You can see in the upper side that is the wireless router. It may replace these all three things. That may includes all these three things. Clear? So Ethernet switch, you all know about Ethernet switch. Ethernet switch is a type of what type of CSMA protocol. Clear? That is LAN based technology. Clear? It is a collision detection method, CSMA CD protocol following this Ethernet switch, which is a LAN based technology. Uh, Now next one is IEEE 802.11. This is Wi-Fi system is something like this. You can see in this domain there is a wireless access point. Clear? In the left portion there is a wireless access point which is connected with a PoE switch. Clear? This is what PoE is, what a type of power switch, power on Ethernet. Clear? तो ये आपका जो है, जो भी ये हमारी वायरलेस एक्सेस पॉइंट है, दिस इज कनेक्टेड विद द पावर ऑन ईथरनेट स्विच. क्लियर? दिस इज ए system, and then it is connected to the router, and the router will transfer the packet through internet. Clear? Router will access the packet through internet. Clear? So wireless AP is connected with the PoE switch, then it is going to the router, and then router will connect it with the internet. Clear? Another is what, it may also connected through what, the right side portion you can see directly through the what station or anything else. Clear? Now the next one is 802.11 uses 5 gigahertz radio band. That is a very high frequency which has 23 overlapping channels rather than the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, which has only three non-overlapping channels. Clear? So this is the major point in this 802.11 Wi-Fi system. Means it has 5 gigahertz radio band. That is a very high frequency, which includes 23 overlapping channels, and rather than the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, which has only three non-overlapping channels. जो हमारे पास 2.4 गीगाहर्ट्ज का फ्रीक्वेंसी बैंड होता है उसमें केवल 3 नॉन ओवरलैपिंग चैनल्स होते हैं, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम वी हैव 5 गीगाहर्ट्ज रेडियो बैंड which includes 23 overlapping channels. Clear? So the access method of IEEE 802.11 Wi-Fi is what? CSMA-CA. That is Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Avoidance. CSMA-CA is a type of 802.11 Wi-Fi system, and CSMA-CD is type of Ethernet system, LAN-based Ethernet system. You know, you should all know that. Yeah. Now the next one is there are some Wi-Fi adapters are there. You can see they may connect it to access the data through Wi-Fi system. Clear? These are some adapters you can see. In the third one there is a aerial through which the data communication takes place. If you put the USB device to your computer system to transfer the data via Wi-Fi, where access the data through Wi-Fi or some um, wireless mode, so you can apply this. Clear? Now the next one is मेरी आवाज
सर कट कट के आ रही है।
हेलो
यस सर।
now am I audible? Hello. Okay, so network. So I'm again sharing the so, in this
Sir, are you there?
हेलो
Yes, yes.
कहाँ गए सर?
Sir is connected, but he is not saying anything.
हाँ
सर स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है लेकिन आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, शायद नेटवर्क इशू है।